What's up, Flowstar family? My name is Breann, and today I'm going to be teaching you the pinch spin, which looks just like this. So for the pinch spin, a prerequisite you're going to want to have is your vertical pinch, and you can drill this movement by working on the vertical pinch and bringing it up over your head like this. This is with your dominant hand, and you're going to have your pinch going in towards your body. Once you work on this motion, bringing it up right here is when you are able to add your spin. For your spin, you're going to rotate outwards, up under your dominant hand, and then spin around. So let me show you what that looks like again. And that is the pinch spin. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to see more tutorials from us, make sure to give this video a like, comment what you love about it, and of course subscribe. Thanks for watching.